Well, building a home can be a difficult process, but for two families in Cookeville, the biggest stress was deciding if they wanted to return following the deadly tornado. Brooke Reese talked with them about coming home.
On the morning of March 3rd, Lauren and Corey Farmer were trapped underneath the rubble.
You're spitting out debris and dust and drywall and just not even sure where you are.
Yeah.
Miraculously, both safe and able to help their neighbors.
So he
Said, I've got to go.
He left, and there was a lantern right in front of us, like he said, and so he was able to take that and go.
Next door were the Collins, who lost their daughter, Hattie Jo, that morning.
There's only so much change that you can mentally handle, and then you reach a breaking point.
The couple says the last year has been full of grief, stress, and struggle. And trying to start over at the start of a pandemic, those emotions were only exacerbated.
When you try to order something from Amazon, initially they were only shipping essentials. Well, when you have nothing,
Everything is essential.
Everything's essential. So that was a little frustrating at first.
Yeah. But once the dust settled and the time came to decide where the farmers would call home, they ultimately chose to stay put.
I think that was my selling point to her, was we can just rebuild the community. I said, we already own the land, might as well.
But because of COVID-19, construction proved to be a taller order than anticipated.
Supplies went up.
The cost of everything.
Supplies went up. Getting supplies just in general was horrible.
One item at the top of the list, a storm shelter.
We have actually fit 8 adults in here.
And the dogs, standing up comfortably.
And while it will take some time before things feel comfortable again, the farmers say the trauma ultimately led them to rebuild and move on with their neighbors towards a fresh start. Brooke Reese, News 2.